Hey guys, today we are going to review TRX mining website and you can earn daily profit from this website. If you sign up for the first time on this website, you will get TRX for free. So the link to this website is available in the video description. When you click on the link, you will get the interface like this. First of all, you need to create an account here. And after this, you will get the dashboard like this. Here you can read latest announcement. So here you can see we have got TRX for free. You can easily deposit and withdraw your money from this website. All the process is very simple. We will look all steps one by one. So here you can see we have different icons like deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app and logout. And here you can see their accumulated profit and total membership. And here is their global partners. At the bottom, we have different tabs. Here you can see cloud mining is working and you will get daily profit. If I click on trading profit, here you can see your daily profit list. Next we have invest tab. Here you can see product list. Next we have share tab. You can also share it with your friends and you will also get the rewards. Just copy this link and invite your friends on this platform to earn together. You can get 10%, 4% and 2% commission. For example, you invite user A. User A invests 1000 TRX. You will get 100 TRX rewards. User A invites user B. User B invests 1000 TRX. You will get 40 TRX. And user B invites user C. User C invests 1000 TRX. You will get 20 TRX. So how much you can earn on this platform? Next we have mine tab. Here it's showing total balance, deposit and withdrawal button. So first of all, let me show you how you can add deposit. Click on the deposit. And here is our address. Copy this address. You can also scan this QR code. After this, I open my Binance wallet and I transfer TRX. Here I click on withdraw TRX. Here I paste the address, choose network. Here I enter the amount. It will charge 1 TRX fee. Click on confirm. After the confirmation, open it again. Within a minute or two, you will get the deposit in your wallet. And yes, you can see I have got the balance into my account. So if you invest here, you will get the daily profit on mining. So the next step is how to withdraw your money. Click on withdraw button. After this, enter your withdrawal amount. You can read all the withdrawal details in the video description as well. So enter your wallet address here. You can copy it from your Binance wallet. After this, enter your security password. So it's so simple and easy way to earn money online. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below. If you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.